Welcome to Vidpros July Roundup, your 60-second scoop on content, creativity, and client wins you don't want to miss. This month, we turned out some of our best work yet, from smooth transitions and tight timelines to creative assets that helped creators captivate their audiences. Over in the industry, Google confirms that regular SEO still counts in AI overviews, AI summaries are cutting into media traffic, and social platforms rolled out key updates worth knowing. Our blog dropped serious insights too. How editing affects customer buying decisions, what are the best TikTok video ad examples for 2025, which best transitions for short-form videos go viral. Explore these and more on our website. Our YouTube channel kept it hot this month, with videos built to level up your creator game. How much does Twitch really pay per view? The truth might surprise you. Why chasing subscribers is killing your creator business, and what to do instead. How to use ChatGPT for digital marketing, a strategy guide built for 2025. Watch now and get ahead of the game. This month's spotlight is all about our amazing clients. At Vidpros, we don't just edit, we help creators shine because your content deserves to stand out. Page Brunton, 51 Squarespace tips you're not using. A must-watch for web designers, Page drops high-impact tips most people miss. We polished it with screen captures, animated callouts, and clean pacing. Kate Au, who is behind Simple Pin Media, a behind-the-scenes brand story delivered with warmth and clarity. Smooth edits and soft overlays helped bring her voice forward. Farah Shirandi, ex-Google recruiter, reveals the truth about entry-level jobs. Packed with real-world advice, made engaging with punchy captions and bold timing. That's a wrap on July. Hit subscribe, follow us on socials, and visit vidpros.com for more edits that elevate.